Good day everyone. Ito na lang ulit. Good afternoon eh. Good day everyone. Welcome to Harayas Company. Our project is Smart Trash Bin for School Waste Management. Haraya is an innovation-driven company focused on improving waste management in schools through smart technology. Our solution, the Smart Bin, use sensor or automation to make waste disposal easier, more efficient, and more organized. It helps ensure that the trash is properly sorted and collected on time, reduce the mess, and improving overall cleanliness on the campus.
So next is the challenges.
Gagayin mo ba?
Pag galing na ha.
Nakita mo, stuck na siya.
Nag-stop kasi
Basahin
ako
ko din kasi, para ano.
Ikaw na nga lang po.
Nakayabil pala kasi.
Nakalimutan ko eh.
Kasi nga, kaya ang tagal ng delay kasi mahalata yun ni ma'am. Ako na lang dito.
Hindi, si ano nangyari ko na.
Ako lang bipindot, ako lang bipindot. Sige siya, Sherwin.
Basta ganito guys.
Nagkamali sa akin si ito.
Oo, tulyari siya doon.
Pag nagsalita na.
Hindi, alisa naman si Sherwin eh.
Good day everyone. Welcome to Harayas Company. Our project is Smart Trash Bin for School Waste Management. Haraya is an innovation-driven company focused on improving waste management in school through smart technology. Our solution, the Smart Bin.
Ay, sorry.
Kita siya.
Good day everyone. Welcome to Harayas Company. Smart Trash Bin for School Waste Management. Haraya is an innovation.
Pwede. Uy, hindi, wait lang. Kasi, sabi mo na agad.
Yes.
Sorry.
Ngayon mo ulit.
Ulit.